Welcome to MarineMax Jacksonville Beach. My name is Ty Miller and I'm here to discuss Sea Ray's brand new release 21 SPX. This boat is got a lot of features that fit the family for a day on the water. Starting in the back of the boat, this 200 horsepower motor gives you all the power and speed you need to get to and from different locations. With the fact that we have outboard, gives us a tremendous amount of room, beach chairs, umbrellas, those sorts of things down in this storage compartment. Leading forward, you have a couple different options for layouts, but I really like this 3-position port lounger. Gives you additional space for extra family to sit. You can also have a captain's chair, but I really prefer this setup. Great thing about what Sea Ray has done is they've gotten rid of their analog dashes on the console here. So everything is going to be touchscreen electronic. Just adds to the quality that Sea Ray has always shown. One unique fact about this boat with the new update is that it is a self-bailing hull. So in a coastal community like ours, where you may want to go in the ocean on a nice day, it creates a much safer boat to be in those ocean atmospheres near shore on a nice day. I think that is one huge change that was made to this boat that I really love. There are several features from water sports tower. This one has the bimini to flooring. As you see, we have the infinity woven vinyl in the front and we have sea deck in the back. You can actually do sea deck throughout the entire boat, so there's some options there as well. Fusion's JL audio is best in the business, so you're able to hear the music as you're going along in the water with this Quiet Mercury motor. This boat is sports boat and family boat all tied into one. As we move forward where Kitty is at, we have lots of seating. You can have the option of a bow filler cushion that gives you plenty of seating. Even at 6'4", as big and goofy as I am, I fit great up front, and the kids love to sit up in the front part of the boat. So overall, at a small size that's trailerable, you have lots of options to take this boat far and wide. With a self-bailing hull, you have access to the ocean and some places that you might not have felt safe before. Just goes along with Sea Ray's excellent quality and innovation that they've been doing for years. If you have any questions about this boat, you can reach my cell phone at 904-444-9660.